Morning, children. Welcome to the story time. Yes, story is something which has been, uh, generation to generation has been passed on from the grandparents to the grandchildren. While sleeping time, when you are sleeping, mama also narrate the story, good stories to the children. During Shivaji Maharaj also, the olden times also, mother used to tell such a story wherein the children used to get motivated to become like that particular character to whom they used to speak. Shivaji Maharaj's mother wanted Shivaji to be a strong person, a brave person, and a patriotic person. And accordingly, she used to narrate the story to Shivaji. And the good part of the Shivaji was that he used to listen to Mama and he used to try to be like a person regarding whom she used to speak. है ना? तो जब कोई कहानी सुनाता है तो उससे हमें कुछ सीखना चाहिए बेटा. We should try to learn something. Okay, children. So today also I am going to tell one story. It's about a small boy named Simon, and the name of the story is Simon and the Bird. As you can see in the picture, the boy with the blue shirt, coat, and the pink color trousers, he is Simon. And as you can see, a bird flying up, having something big in the having something, holding something, a food I think so, in its beak and flying up, and there's a snake. So the three characters are there: a boy Simon, a bird, and a snake. Let's see what has been given in the story. Once upon a time, Simon saw a bird caught in a net spread by some boys. Some boys wanted to catch hold of birds, so they had spread out the nest in the park, and he saw that one of the bird was caught in the net. He felt that Simon boy was a very kind and generous boy. He felt pity on the bird. He freed the bird from the net. The bird was crying for the help, and the Simon freed it, and the bird flew away. What a good gesture the boy has done. Right, children? Isn't it, children? If somebody is in the trouble, we should go and help. That is what the Simon has done. And what other children have done? They wanted to trouble the bird. Is it right, children? No. Then, a days later, Simon was eating under a tree. Suddenly, the same bird to whom the Simon has saved, the same bird swooped down and took his food away. Now Simon saw, it's the same bird to whom I have saved, and the bird has taken my food away. The Simon jumped up to snatch his food back, but lost his balance and fell down. He was very angry at the unthankful bird. Unthankful bird means he was so angry that the same bird to whom I have saved has taken away my food, and now I have fallen down. See, I have got hurt also. Such an unthankful bird it is. However, he saw a poisonous snake. Now what happened next? Now he will realize that why the bird have done that way. However, he saw a poisonous snake, as you can see in the picture, poisonous snake crawling down the tree, and now he understood that the snake could have beaten him. If he would have been sitting over there and eating, the snake would have beaten him. The bird had saved his life. Now he has realized, now he came to know that, see, birds cannot speak. The birds cannot go and tell that, hey, Simon, you move from here. There's a poisonous snake over there. What the bird had done is that quietly she took the food. She knew that if I take the food, the boy is going to move from that place. Because the bird has already seen the poisonous snake over there, and the bird wanted to save the life of the boy. है ना? So, what does the moral of the story says? That don't misjudge people's intention. You know, अपने मन से ही बना लेना, ओके ये तो ऐसा कर रहा है बिकॉज इसको ऐसा चाहिए, वैसा कर रहे, अपने मन से कभी भी जज नहीं करना बेटा. Until and unless the things are clear to you, and don't beforehand only procrastinate. Oh, acha. Even though that person is having no wrong intention, don't create your own thoughts and intention about the other people. Right, children? So yes, please, God has given us two hands. Raise your hand to help others. This is what the humanity is. Right? कहते हैं सब में नारायण का वास है. आप जब सबको हेल्प करते हैं, जब आपके हाथ उठते हैं हेल्प करने के लिए, यस, जस्ट इमेजिन जो ऊपर वाला, जो द बिग बॉस है, द सुपर पावर, द परमात्मा, वो कितने प्रसन्न होते होंगे, है ना. उन्होंने हमें इसीलिए तो दो हाथ दिए हैं. यस, टू वर्क हार्ड, टू बी, यस टू डू आवर ओन थिंग्स ऑन टाइम, है ना, और दूसरों के लिए हाथ उठाना, गिव योर हेल्पिंग हैंड टू अदर्स. अदरवाइज़ बेटा ये इस हाथ का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. सिर्फ काम करने के लिए हम थोड़ी ना आए हैं. यस, वी आर देयर टू सर्व अदर्स, टू सर्व आवर फैमिली, आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, आवर पेरेंट्स, आवर फ्रेंड्स, आवर नेबर्स, है ना. सो हमने क्या सीखा इससे? वॉट वी हैव लर्न दैट यस, वी शुड help the other people, not only the human being, even we should go and help the animals also. Beta they cannot speak up, है ना. So we should not trouble them, we should not harm them, because even they have feelings, right? They get hurt, है ना. So we should respect and love and care all the living beings on this world, irrespective of any, whether they are human beings, they are birds or animals. Right, children? So this is what we have learned, and I know that my children are very good. They are very generous, they are very kind, है ना बेटा. अच्छा बनने में तो पूरी लाइफ निकल जाती है ना. कभी अपनी अच्छाई नहीं छोड़ना बेटा. दूसरे की तरह, सपोज अगर इफ somebody troubles you या कुछ करते, बट नेवर टेक द रिवेंज बेटा. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू forgive, है ना. So one day that person will realize that no, you are a good human being. Yes, children? So, always try to be a good human being. Thank you, children. God bless you, beta.